In this video, looking at Romans 8:5. For those who are in accord with the flesh set their minds on the things of the flesh, but those who are in accord with the Spirit, the things of the Spirit. Okay, these verses are some of the most frequently misunderstood in this entire letter. It's verses like these where you really start to see the importance of keeping the intended audience in focus and Paul's words in a very tight context. Because when interpreters begin ignoring the fact that Paul is still talking directly to the Judaizer here, they will end up teaching this section of Paul's letter exactly as the Judaizer would teach. In other words, they end up flipping Paul's point and teaching the opposite of what he is saying. When Paul speaks of those whose minds are set on the flesh, he is speaking positionally of the Jewish lawkeeper who claims to have a relationship with God based on the law. This verse, sentence, whatever you want to call it, is part of the same train of thought where Paul is discussing the law and the lawkeeper and their error in thinking. Go back and look at the verses we just came through. That is the context in which he writes this, and he's going to go on for the next several chapters and deal explicitly with Israel in light of this. Paul is not saying here that the true Christian is someone who never sins. This is not a proof text for sinless perfectionism, though that is often how it is taught. That is what the Judaizer is teaching. Keep the law, be sinless, earn righteousness. That is the Pharisaical mindset, and Paul is teaching against that here, condemning it.